Hey everybody, this is Junior once again coming to you from Taylor Harley Davidson of Salisbury. This is our weekly video coming to you from the parts department. This week we're going to talk about the Ciro drink holders. This is a nice product. Like I said, it has been out for a while. We just want to tell you about a little bit how the installation goes and how to install it. Like once again, it's a really good product getting ready for the riding season. Alright everyone, this is our kit here. I basically laid it out. It's really simple. Basically the tools you need would be a ratchet, a T27 socket, and a 3/16 Allen. You have your two spacers, your two Allen heads, your bracket which sits on the perch, your nut which tightens up the cup holder. So this is everything in the kit that you will need, excluding the tools. So I'm going to show you real quick how to install it. Alright everyone, what you want to do is get your T27, take it to your two bolts here, and basically what I'll do is I'll loosen them just a little bit, not really much. Then what I do is I start and take the bottom one out first, because I leave the top in, that way to stay together and it's easier to control. Once you get this one out, what you would do is grab your bracket, take your first spacer, then your first Allen head, what you want to do is put the spacer behind it. And like I said, I started with the bottom one first. So slide it in the hole. And take your 11/16 Allen. And basically what you do is you'll run this one in enough to get a little snug, but to give movement. And that's why it's easier to put the top spacer in along with the Allen. So what we'll do is put the Allen into the top spacer. I'm going to sit it there for a minute. And that way, once I take the top out, the bottom one will hold it in. We'll roll up, put our spacer back on, roll the bracket up to align it, and you notice, like I said, it just slides right in. Then we'll start our 3/16. And what I'm going to do is just tighten it down real snug on both of them. That way it keeps everything in position. Then once everything is good and tight, your bracket is on there, and it does have an adjustment here if you need to bring it up or down. But like I said, that's when it is tightened, and that's where your bracket is right there. And then the next step, we're ready to put our cup holder on. Okay, after your bracket is installed and it's good and tight, this is the nut. What you do is you'll slide it over the ball on the bracket, and here's your cup holder. That is the threads with the notch in it. What you do is just slide it on and make sure it's on there good. Then what it does, it lets you bring the nut back up and get it on your threads. Once you got it on the threads, you want to turn it good and tight till you don't see the ball anymore. And that way that'll let it come down. And that way it's good and snug. You got to get in tight, and that's the installation of the Ciro Cup Holder. All right, everyone. That concludes the video of the week. Like I said, that is the Ciro cup holder and bottle holder. Like I said, this is a great product. It does come in chrome and black with the black perch and the chrome perch. Like I said, they are $69.95 and $79.95. We do carry those in stock. Once again, I hope everyone enjoyed the video of the week. Look forward to doing it and seeing you next week. This is Junior from Tilly Harley Davidson of Salisbury, and I ride with Tilly.